Hey guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today we have a different type of video. I know I do unbox technology and like other tech stuff, but today it's completely different. So this is medical and like it's a oximeter. So it's a pulse oximeter. It can be used after sports and during this pandemic. If you're sick, you can just verify your health level. So yeah. I've just got it right now, and let's get into the unboxing video. So yeah, let's get this thing out. So it says it's really low power consumption, digital technology. I guess this is a display right here, easy to operate. I think you need to insert your thumb right here, and that's it. It says high accuracy and really small in size, and that's true because it was really lightweight. Like I don't even feel anything, so that's a good thing. So here we have attention space below. It says please read the manual before usage, and that's really important, guys. This is related to medical, and we don't want to take any risks. So here is the box itself. Nothing big inside the box. It's just a basic box, and the other side is the same thing. Nothing new. And here, so the indications for use are in here, and up here we have. Okay, so I guess this is waterproof, and only one piece. It says temperature, all the temperature and humidity information right here in this table, and that's really good. Let's put the box away. Here we have this nice little triangle which has some Chinese information. It says qualified certificate, so this is a certificate for the QC pass. Let's keep that aside too. And here we have the pulse oximeter, like I mean the user manual. So yeah, it is really not that fascinating, nothing important, I guess. If you really know how to use this thing, you'll be fine. And this is the user manual, how to change the batteries and the display functions. So as it is digital, it'll be really cool if we are able to have like many functions in it. And this is the device itself. I am not sure. Okay, so it's like a clip. You open it like that and you insert it in your thumb like that. And I'm not okay. So we need to change the batteries before usage. So the batteries are down here. I guess it's a AAA battery, and you should insert it down there. And yep. And here we have some exchange tools. So I'm pretty much not sure what this is, but we'll get to that later. But just letting you guys know that it is there in the box. And let's just walk around this thing, man. Okay, it's a digital display. Looks really cool, and yeah, you can use it after sports. So if you're going out on a bike ride or something, you can do that too. And if you're really sick, you can use it for checking if you need real medical attention. So there are certain levels that you can search up in good source in internet, and yeah, with that you'll know if you need some bed rest or anything. So that's it for today's video, guys. This will be the end of the pulse oximeter unboxing, and thanks for watching. See you later. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, and stay tuned for the recent gaming videos because I've been uploading a lot of unboxing recently. So yeah, guys. Guys, it's Laashak. So just before ending the video, I wanted to say like this video because it took a lot of editing work, and feel free to subscribe to get new content, and also comment on this video about the next like content recommendations. You can also say me things to review on my next video, and feel free to follow my Instagram to know about updates on my next video. I also update thumbnails on my